Hello everyone, welcome back to Affiliates Den. I am back again with another update of my lead gen secret. Now, I have, let's just get to the details. If you can see here, I have made 2 sales since was the last video. Here, this was the last sale in my previous video, and now I have made, well, technically I've made 3 sales, but the system will count it as 2 sales because this is an upgrade, OTO right over here. Probably this person bought this email swipes during the registration or maybe after. So yeah, things are looking good, although I still have mixed feelings about this system because according to one of the users, I should be making around 2,000 a month by the end of day 30th. I mean, after 30 days, this person was making $2,000 or something along those lines, but with the speed that I am making sales, I don't see that happening.
Hi, this is Steve from the UK, and it's now been 30 days since I joined.
Wait a second, where's the volume? There's no volume.
Lead Gen Secret.
No volume. Okay.
Now
there
more than
okay, this person claims that he made $2,000 using the system in his first month, and he didn't mention anything going outside of the system and promoting this offer. And he claims that he made the system just by sending the emails over and over again. So I'm thinking maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I should be using the system email swipes instead of my swipes that I use to promote the system, because my lead gen has a number of email swipes that they give you to use, but I haven't used many of those. I've used email 3, this one, once, didn't get any sales on this one. Then I used email 8, this one, no sales after sending on this one as well. And these 2 emails were recommended by the customer support actually when I contacted them and asked them which one are bringing in more sales. By the way, customer support of this system is awesome. They just within 24 to 48 hours they always respond, and that rarely happens if you're enrolled in a system, in a BizOp opportunity. People take their sweet time to respond, but these people at customer support of my lead gen, they respond within 48 hours, and it's just awesome. I never experienced that before. Anyhow, what I'm trying to say is that maybe I should start using their emails more often. Although my emails open rate is something that really blows my mind. I didn't expect the open rate to be so high. If I can show you, where should I go? These are the emails. These are my swipes. How to get unstuck fast. This one right there. No, this one's my lead gen's email swipe, not mine. And this one too. This one of them is email 3 and the other one is email 8. I don't know which one is which. This one right here, this one's mine. Well, I shouldn't say mine, but these are edited emails from other offers that I received in my inbox, and I just tweaked them a little bit and then send them out. Now you can see the results I am getting. Open 602, 351. This one didn't do so well. 471, 531. This one just I took this one from 12-minute affiliate. I have their email swipes. I signed up as an affiliate, and that's what I got from this email. The results are amazing. 19% CTR, 21% CTR over here, 11%, 15%. So according to statistics, I should be getting more sales, but I'm not. So maybe this week I will try promoting through their own emails, or maybe the 2 days I use out of a week, in a week, sorry. I've mentioned this before, that I promote my lead gen 5 days, and then for the last 2 days of the week I promote some other offer. I think I've already shown you the offer in the previous video. It's the Super Affiliate Network. It's a high ticket offer. Maybe I shouldn't do that for for a few weeks. Maybe I should just focus on promoting my lead gen and see how things turn out by the end of next week. I don't know. It's just you know, the technique should be changed, I believe, because with this speed I'm not going to make $2,000 a month, that's for sure, unless my downline start promoting and getting some ridiculous sales. Currently I have 5 people, and if they may start making sales, maybe I'll see some lucrative results, but at the moment I don't see that happening, and I am starting to get worried why my downline is not making a single sale. That brings a question mark in my head every time I look at this number. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Ta-ta.